It's time to shop ET with our partner Knocking. So to start shopping, scan the QR code or go to shopet.com. Leshem Ben Amo is here to show us how GetSay can help with our holiday meal prep.
Two different pillars, mandolin inside. We can peel up, and guess what? Also down, up and down. No need to move the end from the carrot.
Nice.
Tomato, soft tomato, easy and fast. Even a pineapple, Cassie, look the quality.
No way!
Yes. Now look at this, the second part. We connect to here, now it's not a pillar anymore. Now, Cassie, it's a mini mandolin. Look, the last part, the julienne slicer. You like zucchini noodles, Cassie? Now, let's move to the second
Let's
item.
do it.
Cutting board and knife combined together, easy and fast. Now we get another blade, the wavy blade. Look the quality, we can make a French fries in a second. Up to 64% off, Cassie. The peeler, $69.99. The shears, $99.
Thank you so much. And of course, scan the QR code or go to shopet.com to get these while they last.